How to create a new account on Poshmark. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to create a new account on Poshmark. First of all, open up any web browser you have and then simply here search for Poshmark and then hit enter. Now click on the very first link that you see here and then you'll be taken directly to the login page. Now here are quite a few ways to log into your account. You could either use Facebook, your Google account, or your Apple ID. And what you could also do is just sign up with your email. So at the top right, you'll find login or sign up two options. To create a new one, click on sign up. And then from here, you're going to have to enter all of these details, including your first name, last name, email, username, create a password, select gender, and your country. Or what you could do is simply continue with your Google account. Tap on it, tap on Google, and here it should be a way easier process to create your account. Now from here, you can just click on next. It will automatically fill out all of your informations and then click on next again. And once you have done that, you should be able to create a new account on Poshmark. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.